乘坐的是 MU771航班前往新加坡，中途降落南京。我们马上就要关闭舱门了。根据中国民航法规规定，为了飞行安全，请您全程关闭手机电源，直到航班到达后舱门打开。同时，在起飞和下降过程中不要使用任何电子设备。谢谢您的协助。Ladies and gentlemen, we will be flying to Singapore. Stay over in Nanjing. This flight is MU771. The cabin door is closing shortly. According to China's civil aviation regulation, mobile phones, even in flight mode, are not permitted to be used during flight, and no electronic devices is permitted to be used during takeoff the morning. Thank you for your cooperation. 当准备到监控。Together with my team members, we will be at your service. We hope to make your journey pleasant and comfort. Safety instructions video will be played soon. Your attention will be appreciated. Thank you.
女士们、先生们，欢迎您乘坐中国东方航空公司的机。是您安全。
China Eastern Airlines. Such as tie pins, high heel shoes, glasses, brooches, and watches. Please assume this position while evacuating. If there is a loss of electric power, the emergency light will start on the floor. The safety instruction leaflet is in the seat back in front of you. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If you have any further questions, please ask our flight attendants. 飞机已经开始下降，谢谢您在这段旅途中给我们的支持和帮助。现在，请您系好安全带，收起小桌板，调至椅背，打开遮光板，关闭所有电子设备。稍后，客舱灯光将会调暗，请升起手机停止使用，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, it is 5:25 p.m. Beijing time, and we will be landing at Nanjing local airport in about 20 minutes. The ground temperature is 7 degrees centigrade, 45 degrees Fahrenheit. We will be landing soon. Please fasten your seatbelt or your tray table to the aircraft station and switch off the electronic devices. We will then cabin lights shortly. Please turn on your reading light and get ready. The lavatory is just closing. Thank you.